If we do not take into account the impact that man has on nature and on fellow humans, some of the most unusual animals are responsible for thousands or even hundreds of thousands of deaths per year. At the opposite pole are animals that we consider extremely dangerous. For example, sharks kill only 6 people a year, wolves kill 10, while elephants and hios have over 500 victims each year, according to ScienceAlert.com. Some almost tiny creatures are responsible for the death of thousands of people a year. The teta fly causes 10,000 deaths and Oscris nematodes 4,500. Even so, there are much more dangerous animals. Here are the animals that cause the most deaths annually. 5. Killer cockroaches, 12,000 deaths per year. They are both scary and dangerous. The cockroach kills insects, carries their corpses on its back, and has a habit of biting people on the cheek if they get too close. The cockroach is dangerous because of the Chagas parasitic infection, which causes the disease of the same name, which it carries and which it can transmit to humans. 4. Freshwater snails, 20,000 plus dead per year. Snails carry parasitic worms that can infect humans with a disease called schistosomiasis, or snail fever. Symptoms of the disease include abdominal pain and blood in the secretions, depending on the area of the body affected. Schistosomiasis causes between 20,000 and 200,000 deaths annually, according to ScienceAlert. 3. Dogs, 35,000 deaths per year. Man's best friend also carries a fatal virus, namely rabies, or rabies. The virus is vaccine preventable, but it still kills 35,000 people a year, 99% of which can be attributed to an infection caused by dogs. Toe snakes, 100,000 deaths per year. Venomous snakes are responsible for 100,000 deaths annually, especially in developing countries. Unfortunately, there is a shortage of antivenom in the countries most often affected. 1. Mosquitoes, 750,000 deaths per year. The most dangerous animals in the world are also the smallest on this list. While sucking blood, these insects transmit viruses from human to human. Half of the deaths attributed to mosquitoes are due to malaria infection, especially in Africa, south of the Sahara. Fortunately, malaria cases decreased by 37% between 2000 and 2015. Another disease transmitted by mosquitoes is dengue fever, which affects children in Asia and Latin America. If you got here to the end of the video I presented on my YouTube channel, at Alexandru, thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful, and I hope it helped you in some way. If you like this video clip, I would be happy if you like a share and subscribe to this channel. Only good regards, Alexandru YouTube channel creator.